So I got these closet doors on our Facebook buy and sell page for free, and you're honestly never gonna believe what I turned them into. I actually did this project for Home Talk. I'm a video creator for them. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out their channel for lots of fun DIY ideas. I just used 150 grit sandpaper to give the whole closet door a really quick sand down, and then I wiped it clean. And I will apologize for my voice. I am recovering from a sinus infection, which probably was due to sanding too much cedar, not wearing a mask. So after I sanded it and gave it a really good wipe down, I covered it with this Benjamin Moore primer. Once the primer was dry, I taped off different sections, and then I did all the details in acrylic paint. You could use any sort of acrylic or latex paint. Here I'm doing a buckle. In between each color, I waited for it to dry, so I left this project in the living room close to our fireplace so it would dry quickly. And for every color, I also did 2 coats. And here I'm painting some shoelaces. I did draw them on in pencil first, just to make sure I had the layout okay. Peeling the paint off is so satisfying. And then of course I did a bunch of touch-ups, and I used hot glue to apply some felt to add some more embellishments and detail. I truly love my Surebonder glue gun. You can plug it in and it charges it, and then you can use it cordless for about 2 to 3 minutes at a time. It works so amazing. I'll leave the link in the description here. I've used it for several months and absolutely love it. I even had this gold chain that I found in the workshop, and I added a little bit of that too. And I have 2 giant nutcrackers from closet doors. What do you guys think? hit that subscribe button if you want to see more DIY and crafts, and thanks for watching.